The story of Prophet Yusuf, as beautifully told in the Qur'an, is a timeless lesson of faith, patience, morality, and divine wisdom, known as Ahsan al-Qasas, the best of stories, beginning when young Yusuf shares a dream with his father, Prophet Yaqub, in which he sees 11 stars, the sun and the moon prostrating to him, a vision that Yaqub recognizes as a sign of Allah's favor and warns him not to share with his brothers, for their hearts already burned with jealousy due to the deep love Yaqub had for Yusuf, a love rooted in Yusuf's goodness, piety, and purity of character. And though the brothers' envy grew into resentment and malicious plotting, Allah had already planned a greater destiny for Yusuf, and when they threw him into a well and returned with false evidence of his death, Yaqub's patience shone as he relied entirely on Allah, declaring that He is the best disposer of affairs, and Yusuf was rescued by passing travelers who sold him into Egypt, where he entered the house of the Aziz, remaining steadfast in faith despite being far from his family. And when the Aziz's wife attempted to seduce him, Yusuf, guided by Allah, refused, seeking refuge in Him and showing Muslims that obedience to Allah is more precious than freedom or worldly comfort. And though falsely accused and imprisoned, Yusuf's character, wisdom, and piety continued to shine, and Allah turned the prison into a place of elevation, granting him the ability to interpret dreams and the respect of those around him, while teaching that hardship does not diminish a servant's value when patience is coupled with trust in Allah. And during his imprisonment, Yusuf interpreted the dreams of fellow prisoners, conveying guidance and hope, demonstrating that service to Allah and others precedes worldly gain. And years later, when the king of Egypt was troubled by a dream of 7 fat cows eaten by 7 lean ones and 7 green ears followed by dry, none could interpret it until Yusuf's wisdom, bestowed by Allah, was remembered, and he explained that the dream foretold 7 years of abundance, followed by 7 years of famine, and advised careful planning, storage, and management, showing the believers that knowledge and foresight are gifts from Allah and tools to serve humanity. And upon validation of his innocence, Yusuf was elevated to a position of authority, entrusted with the entire storehouse of Egypt, proving that Allah honors patience, righteousness, and steadfastness. And when famine spread across the land, Yusuf's brothers came seeking food, unaware they were standing before the very brother they had betrayed, while Yusuf, knowing their hearts, tested them, asking about the youngest brother and observing their honesty. And in doing so, he taught forgiveness, justice, and wisdom. And when he finally revealed his identity, he forgave them completely, declaring that no blame would be upon them that day, for Allah had turned their prior wrong into a greater good, bringing them and their family together, and he instructed them to bring their father to Egypt, where Yaqub, blind from grief, regained hope and joy, and Allah fulfilled Yusuf's childhood dream as his family bowed in gratitude, not in worship, but as acknowledgement of Allah's decree. And Yusuf, reflecting on the journey from the well to the palace, from betrayal to honor, from hardship to divine favor, recognized that every trial had a purpose, that patience, faith, and moral integrity were keys to success, and that Allah's plan is perfect, even when unseen by human eyes, teaching Muslims that adversity is a test, not a punishment, that purity of heart is never wasted, and that forgiveness and mercy triumph over resentment, and that complete reliance on Allah transforms suffering into guidance, darkness into light, and despair into hope. And thus the story of Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him, is not only a tale of personal triumph, but also a divine reminder that trust in Allah, steadfastness in trials, adherence to morality, and unwavering faith can lead to honor, leadership, reunion, and ultimately, eternal reward. Inspiring Muslims across generations to remain patient in suffering, truthful in speech, kind in character, forgiving in heart, and always mindful that Allah's wisdom governs all affairs, and that every hardship carries a hidden blessing, every delay contains divine timing, and that those who submit fully to Allah's will shall witness His mercy, justice, and greatness manifest in ways beyond human comprehension.